Have you ever wondered why two people can save similar amounts of money, yet one ends up with significantly more wealth over time? Albert Einstein is often credited with calling compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Whether or not he actually said those exact words, one thing is certain. Compound growth has transformed the financial future of countless people who understood one simple idea: time can be one of your greatest financial assets. In today's video, we'll explore what compound growth is, why starting early matters so much, and how consistency often beats chasing quick wins. Let's get started. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Imagine you plant a tree. At first it grows slowly. You may not notice much change from one day to the next, but year after year, it becomes taller, stronger, and produces more branches. Your money can work in a very similar way. Compound growth happens when your money earns returns, and then those returns begin earning returns of their own. Instead of growth happening only on your original savings, future growth builds on everything that has accumulated over time. In other words, your money starts working for itself, and over long periods, that effect can become surprisingly powerful. The important thing to understand is that compound growth isn't designed to create overnight success. It's designed to reward patience. One of the best ways to visualize compound growth is by imagining a small snowball at the top of a snowy hill. At first it's tiny. You begin rolling it downhill. During the first few feet it barely changes, but as it continues rolling it gathers more snow. As it gets larger, it collects snow even faster. Before long, the snowball is many times larger than when it started. Compound growth works in much the same way. Early progress may seem slow. You might even wonder if it's making a difference at all. But over time, those small gains begin building upon one another. Eventually, the growth becomes much more noticeable. The real strength often appears much later. Many people spend years trying to answer one question: when is the perfect time to invest? They're constantly waiting for the right moment. But here's something many successful long-term investors understand. Time in the market often matters more than trying to perfectly time the market. No one consistently predicts every market movement. What you can control is developing consistent financial habits. Starting earlier gives your money more opportunities to benefit from compound growth. Even modest contributions made consistently can make a meaningful difference. Waiting doesn't just delay saving, it can also reduce the amount of time your money has to compound. That's why beginning, even with small steps, can be more valuable than waiting for perfect conditions. We live in a world where everyone wants instant results. Social media is full of stories promising overnight success. Quick profits, guaranteed returns, easy wealth. But sustainable financial progress usually doesn't happen that way. Building wealth is often much less exciting than people expect. It involves consistency, discipline, patience. Think about exercising. Going to the gym once for 6 hours probably won't transform your health, but exercising consistently a few times each week for years can produce remarkable results. Financial habits work the same way. Small, regular contributions made consistently often outperform occasional bursts of enthusiasm. Success rarely comes from one big decision. It usually comes from hundreds of small ones. Here's a question that's worth thinking about. If someone had clearly explained compound growth to you when you were 20 years old, would your financial decisions have been different? Many people answer yes, not because they would have become millionaires overnight, but because they would have understood the value of starting sooner. The best time to begin may have been years ago. The second best time is today. No matter where you are in your financial journey, understanding compound growth can help you make more informed decisions moving forward. The focus shouldn't be on what you didn't do in the past. It should be on the opportunities you have now. Every positive financial habit you build today has the potential to benefit your future self. That's the power of starting now. Compound growth may not feel exciting in the beginning. In fact, it often feels slow. But that's exactly what makes it so powerful. It rewards consistency, it rewards patience, and it rewards people who give their money the one thing it needs most: time. Remember, financial success isn't always about finding the next big opportunity. Sometimes it's about allowing small, consistent actions to grow into something much greater over the years. If today's video helped you better understand the power of compound growth, we'd love to learn more about your financial goals. We've created a short contact form where you can share what you're working toward. Once you complete the form, a member of our team can reach out to provide resources and discuss strategies. There's absolutely no obligation. Just click the link in the description or the pinned comment and complete the short form. It only takes a couple of minutes, and it could be the first step toward building a stronger financial future. Before you go, I'd love to hear your thoughts. If someone had explained compound growth to you at age 20, do you think your financial decisions would have been different? Share your answer below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who would benefit from learning about compound growth. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos on financial education, wealth building, and long-term financial strategies. I'll see you in the next video.